Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi here for PrincetonTrader.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so I guess all it really took for the Bears rather is for me to get on uh, get on YouTube and just admonish them for the sorry folks that they are, and they finally put together not a fantastic day, but they put together a day. I mean, the lows on the day were rejected. We're not trading down near those lows. We're back up near the highs. But the Bears at least showed up yesterday, which is a lot more than I can say for Monday. So today is all about Bernanke. It's one of those Fed days where they do the release around noontime, and then they have interest rate projections, and then the press conference. Despite what people, rumors and things like that like to go around, the questions are not pre-written and they're not pre-answered. It's not, it's not. I don't do black helicopters, guys. So we don't know. We'll see what the questions are and what the answers to those questions are. But I would suspect that he's not going to do anything today that is going to rattle the markets, especially with what's going on over in Europe. So, the ECB came in yesterday and basically said that they're going to do some kind of a backstop on Cyprus. The deal now there's some question about whether or not there is a deal. This is the typical Europe stuff. This is the headline minefield that I've been talking about for years. Outrageous statement gets made. That statement gets denied. The statement later gets retracted, and then we go ahead and we do it all over again. It can be very painful. If you are leaning the wrong way on some of this stuff, it can be extremely painful. But what we know is what we see on this chart, this daily chart of the ES, which is a pullback to the middle band that has held. A new low was not made yesterday versus the 29.5. So we got the 29.5, 31.75, and the Globex lows tonight are 36.5. So we're sitting up at 1551. 44 remains a key level for me, and that is the first area of support. If we break 44, then we start talking about 36.5, 37, then 31, then 29. The Bears have a lot of work to do, and they have still not rolled this market over. What you want to see the Bulls do, the Bulls put in 1552.75. That's one tick higher than the Monday high. That can't stand. If we get a high, highs by one tick, as Yubi says, that is the potential to have the market roll over. So, neither side is home free. The Bulls look pretty good right now, but they're not home free. And I would imagine with the Fed news today, things are going to get pretty whippy. I would not be putting any big bets on ahead of the Fed because we're sitting here at 1551, essentially between a 1558.75, 1559 high area and a 1529 area on the downside. So we are, for all the excitement, we really are in no man's land. But you can see the range is getting expanded on these days, so volatility is coming back in the market. So there should be some good intraday opportunities today on both sides. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi for PrincetonTrader.com. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.